take your picture with me tonight? Put the lights on the people out there, Jeff. Come on. Everybody, come on, get up in here. Come on, here we go. This is our Christmas party 2014. Jackyl-The, Flint, Michigan. Here we go. Thank you. Is it her birthday? Whose birthday is it? It's your birthday. Years old. Happy birthday, honey. Happy. Give me a hug. Have a drink of bourbon. Everybody say happy birthday. You people have been so cool. She sat up here in a wheelchair. You people have taken good care of her. Thank you so much, man. My brother over there. Have a drink. There's not a stronger sense of community than right here in Flint, Michigan. You people always band together, and that's kick-ass, man. That's right. Now we're gonna play the Lumberjack song. Y'all ready for some boogie boogie blues yet? It's a true story. It's a true story. And he goes like he said. But you all know I like to jack it quite often, cause if it feels good, if it feels good, if it feels good, I ain't jack my love. Y'all in a hurry tonight? Hell no. Hell no. Then I want you to drink it up. Drink it up tonight. Drink every bit of brown liquor they got, every bit of the shut the fuck up drinks they got back there. Drink them all. And I'm gonna bring these three dope smoking hippies with me. I want to meet you in the back of the room. Come shake my hand tonight. I want to tell you thank you so much for coming out tonight. We've never been here when you people understand. You always kick ass. God bless you. Have a very Merry Christmas. Have an incredible fucking New Year's, and I'll see your ass in 2015. Yeah! Hey, Jack, my lumber baby. She's my chainsaw! Whether you like